You can see here, this little purple splotch right here is this little area called Jesi. That's where we're going to be going for this wine. So before we get there, let's do a little recap of a little knowledge check. So which of these wines are have stricter production regulations? Sorry, IGT, DOCG, or DOC? Which has more regulations? Tighter rules. What do you think?
Go ahead and throw your answers in the comment section.
Yes, please. Thank you, Christian. So they're coming in, DOCG. I mean, I must have said it 10 times, but but I like to just sort of get you thinking a little bit. Okay, so, yep. I think Tara Kelly I've seen in these seminars before, so DOC. Okay, so everybody's a genius today. Yes, I said it enough times. Everybody's got that right. It is the DOCG. And that's because that G stands for garantita, meaning it's guaranteed to have the strictest regulations. And it is the DOCG. Okay, so now we're going to Verdicchio de Castelli de Jesi DOCG. That's a mouthful, right? The best way I always say to remember this wine, and if you're studying WSET, I tell this to my students because it's a great little trick to remember it. I think of Verdicchio, I think of Verdicchio, because this wine typically has a little bitterness to it, like Verdicchio lettuce would. So anyway, so this is high, it's up in the hills of the Marche, in the center of Italy, but really closer to that Adriatic Sea on the east coast. It is a hilly area that surrounds this town that you see here on the bottom called Jesi. And that's why the de Jesi means it's from Jesi. Lots of mineral soils, very temperate climate because it is close to the Adriatic Sea. You know, large bodies of water moderate a climate, so you don't get big temperature swings. The key grape variety is Verdicchio, and 95% of all of the Verdicchio grown in Italy is grown in this Marche region. The production rules is that if you call it this Verdicchio de Castelli de Jesi DOCG, you have to have 85% Verdicchio, a minimum of 12.5% ABV. That's that low ABV again. And this does get 18 months of aging, including 6 months in the bottle.